Welcome to index and match function section. In this section we are going to be look at that what's the index function, then we are going to study about what's the match function, then finally we will discuss the practical section about the index and match function. First we are going to be look at that what's the index function. Index function is a retrieve the data or retrieve the value at a given location in a range. It means it get value at known position. If you have the data and if you want to be retrieve the data in a particular cell, you can use the index function, right? So the index function we need to be passed three parameters. The first we have to write the index, start the bracket, and first you have to pass the array. Array mean the data what you are going to be look. So array you have to be select. The second we need to pass the row number. It means that the particular position which row available. After that the third parameters we have to be enter the column number, which column and which row available we have to be enter. So this is the index function. When we discuss in the practical section, you can easy to understand. Now we are going to be look at that what's a match function. Match function designed for the purpose find the numerical position of an item list. It means that if you have the set of the data or if you have the range of the data and if you want to be get the numerical position, it means that what's the row number for the particular item. So if you want to be get that numerical position, we can use the match function. The match function also we need to pass three parameters. The first one, first we have to put that equal sign. First I need to put that equal sign, then I need to call the match function, right? So match we have to be right and start the bracket, and after that we have to be pass three parameters. First you have to pass the lookup value, then comma, second parameters we have to be select the lookup array, then third we have to pass the approximate match or exact match we have to be select, then close the bracket and enter. The match function will be work. So now we are going to be do the practical section. If you do the practical, it's very easy to understand about the index and match function.